Well, hello and welcome back. And today we are up on our way to the workshop. So it's going to be a flying visit and I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour and show you what's going on. Today I'm in a Mercedes ML. It's from about 2004, 2005. And to be honest, it's a very good car. It was, well, sorry, I'm losing my English. It was Mercedes' first entry into the four-wheel drive market for the mass market, if you understand me. I understand the G-Wagon has been around since time began, but this is the ML. And it's a 2004 model, and it's quite a nice one, to be honest. Very high spec. It's got the chrome dials. It was the last year of production, I think, if I remember rightly. It's got full leather with a bit of Alcantara. It's got front and rear parking sensors, but unfortunately for Mrs. Gibson, the rear parking sensors didn't kick in time, and she reversed into one of her gates, or should we say the gate opened slowly, as I said to Mrs. Gibson. So it's now come to us and we're going to repair it. Behind me, if you look very carefully, you may be able to see my new baby, and I've given it a name. It's now known as the Rampant Rabbit. Stay with us, we're on our way to the workshop. This is part of the new series of I show you what Paul has to do in a day. 2 snapshots in time, one early in the morning and one later on in the evening. So they're going to join the Marika and me channel. So you get a bit of an insight into what I have to do, and I'll show you some of the roads I drive on. We're on our way to the workshop. We've arrived, so we're going to go for a quick flying visit around. Hold on a minute, there's a gumbaru of mine here. Let me go and have a look with him and see what he's doing. See, this is live, always live when you're with Paul. Let's go and talk to him. He's doing a runner, he's off. He's there, live on camera. Where are you going?
Hello, how are you?
Good, say hello to the people.
Hello to the people.
He may be one of our subscribers, but I don't think he is. So, what are you up to? Delivering parts to my man Has?
Of course.
Yeah? What's he had? What have you brought him?
What are you doing?
I've come to see my man Has.
To see Hassan?
Yeah.
Hassan?
Yeah. Is he there? He's there somewhere.
He's over there.
Right, go on, Andreas wants you.
Right.
Go on. So, that's one of our part suppliers. I was going to show you this guy. Oh, yeah. Close the door. See? Now you know we're live. Because I jumped out to say hello to him. He's one of our parts suppliers. And here's my brother in my little Rampant Rabbit. Where are you going in my Rampant Rabbit? What do you think of it?
That's nice. She
Yeah?
liked it.
Huh?
What's her name? She liked it.
Yes. I've just had the seats redone. I'll just show you. So these parts of the seats have all been done on all 4 sides, because on the driver's side there was a slight rip. So my brother's going to wait for me for 5 minutes while I pop into the workshop and see that man over there. That's the manager. Let's go and see what he's got to say. Huh? A snapshot in time. There's 2 mechanics. Hold on a minute, there's a mechanic here and a Marks and Spencer's top. Look at that. I'm looking at your top. It's Marks and Spencer's top. Say hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, this is Ibrahim, super electrician. And this is my favourite man, Hassan. The greatest car bodywork in the... Say hello.
Hello, how are you?
There's Roman. But he is my #1 man. Ibrahim, the greatest man in the world. Say hello. Always working hard. What's in there? What's in? Hold on. What's in there? You don't even know what's in there. He doesn't even know what's in the workshop. Hold on. Get some lights on. Put the lights on. bear with us. They weren't expecting me to turn up. I like to do this. I like to surprise them because there's 4 of them in here, as you can see, and there's 2 of them next door. Ibrahim, we've got 2 Ibrahims. One's the greatest bodywork man in the world, that just said hello, and the other one with the Marks and Spencer's top is the auto electrician, and he's very good as well. So, let me show you what we've been doing today. So all the bonnet's been painted, all of the A-pillars have been painted, and all of the roof has been painted, and that's where we're going to blend out, as we can see. Beautiful job, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now, this is a car that the mechanics were working on a bit earlier. This is for an English gentleman. And as you can see, its front bumper's missing because he's had a slight accident as well. So the mechanics are now good on it, and now we're going to repair the bodywork on it. Now, one of our customers may recognise that. You may remember that from a previous video. It's this truck over here, which is coming on slowly. That one there. Now, let me come and show you Mrs. Gibson's. Let me go and show you Mrs. Gibson's car, because this is the one I arrived in, and this is what she did. So as we can see, she had a mishap. Even though she's got parking sensors that do work, her gates open too slowly, and, well, smack. That's what happened. There's one of my projects that we were talking about in another video, and we finally have acquired one of these lights and the parking sensor. So that will appear in a video soon. I promise you that. And then we've got this one that's just come in. This is a car belonging to an English gentleman, which he bought in the UK, and he shipped it in, and it's got a little bit of damage here and a little bit of damage there, so it's getting repaired. This is another customer's car who had a mishap with, I believe it was their gate post again, and this is a car that's going to get a bit of work on it, and this is the donor car. The engine on that one is completely and utterly kaputted. So, and we've got a couple of hire cars in that you can see over there. So that's our flying visit for the day. So I'm going to say to my brother what I want him to do, and then we'll call this one a wrap. Hold on a second. So are those seats all right now then, yeah? What's he looking at?
Minis.
Minis. We're looking for another car, maybe a Mini. If we find one, we'll take you on that journey. What's he found there? What year is it?
2008.
How much is it? Oof, expensive, €5,000. We only want it as a runaround car, so I was thinking €2,500. So, on that note, we'll call it a wrap. We'll fade out on Mrs. Gibson's car. Thank you for watching. If you like my madness, come back for some more. I can think the manager wants to see me. He's always on his phone. What's he doing now? He's saying bye-bye.